Hello, dear friends. Welcome back to Showman Nath's YouTube channel. Today, I will discuss with you how to complete entire syllabus in 10 days. It's a guaranteed success. Before that, I would like to request you please do subscribe Showman Nath YouTube channel and reward yourself with the latest news and updates. So let's move forward. See, the first important thing in your study is focus. Now, focus is what? Now, focus is something which you should have idea. Idea about what? First, think about the subject you are going to study. If you think about the particular study before you start actual studying, then it will give you an idea of what you are going to do in the next couple of hours. Now, there is a proven technique which is called a Pomodoro technique. I do have a video on this also. If you would like to have a brief explanation, then go for it. Otherwise, let me tell you in short that we human beings are having a tendency to study for a longer period, specifically in the time when examination is nearby. But in this case, it is observed that most of the students studying almost 1 hour for a particular topic. But what happened? Okay, we human beings are having a nature or capacity to study 20 to 25 minutes maximum, and after that we need a break. Yes, my dear friends, it's a proven technique. So, why don't you use this technique, Pomodoro technique, and take a break of 20 minutes after studying 20 minutes and do anything you'd like to for 5 minutes, maybe, or maybe 2 minutes. Uh, so what you can do is you can go for a timer, and after 20 minutes you go for listening some music or drink a cup of tea or coffee. So that will help you to keep in touch with the focus. This is very important. Now, the next very important part is test yourself. How are you going to test yourself? See, you are studying a text, and when you are studying that text or you are doing some mathematical or statistical calculations in that part, if you doing it, then after completion of it, if you stand in front of a mirror and ask yourself the same thing how to do it, and close your eyes for a couple of seconds and try to remember and speak. Say you are the student and the mirror is the teacher, then definitely you will have the confidence that you will be able to answer it or not. The same thing is applicable whenever you study something in the night and in the morning before leaving your bed. If you start thinking about that particular topic, what you have studied, that will give you a brief idea that yes, these are the points I can remember and the other points which you forgot. And whenever you find out it's forgotten, you wake up and concentrate on those forgotten points and give a division to the which already you have learned. Now let's move to the next part, that is called the interleaving. Now what is interleaving? Interleaving, most people blocked themselves by studying, particular topic for a longer period. So don't do that. Interleaving here refers to the suppose you decide to study a particular subject for a day long. Don't do that, because that will give you only 35 to 40% success. Instead of that, if you divide, suppose you desire to study 3 hours, so this 3 hours for 3 subject or 4 subjects, so that chapter wise, say first subject a particular chapter, second subject a particular chapter, and third subject in a particular chapter, it might take 4 hours, but In this case, you will able to learn 3 continuous subjects. Otherwise, you will see that within this 3 hours time period, you have studied only one chapter. Now, this is a technique which I like most, and I have applied for a copyright of this technique also. See, this is a 2 into 2 matrix where it is written I have studied this 2 into 2 matrix, and here the chapters of the particular subject. So I have studied divided into two, strongly studied and loosely studied, and the chapters of the subject are easy and strong. Okay, so easy and difficult. So now if we go for a 2 into 2 matrix cross multiplication, what we have got, I have studied, strongly studied, the chapter is easy, so it's very easy for you to remember. Next one, loosely studied, but the chapter is easy, so it's also easy for you to remember that particular chapter. The next one is strongly studied, but the chapter is difficult. But since you are putting your hard work over here, so that's why the chapter is already done. Now, loosely studied, but the chapter was difficult. So, loosely studied chapter is difficult. So, this part will be difficult for you to remember. There are many chapters we try to skip. Why? Because you loosely studied as well as we, and the chapters are difficult. So, that's why we are not able to remember anything out of it, or few things out of it, mostly not. So these are the 3 highlighting portions which will give you most of the marks. Now, this teaching method. Teaching is what? This is also a very powerful tool for yourself. Say, sometimes you put a dummy in front of you, or maybe, again, I would like to tell you, teach yourself maybe to some friends, or provide some kind of information to others, or prepare a PowerPoint presentation, and then you will find out what are the loopholes or drawbacks you are having over there. The next important thing is called a location. Now, it is also proven that if you sit on a desk or a special study area, then it will be helpful for you to remember that how you studied, and maybe the look of that particular environment, or a book particularly remind you something interesting or strange you learned while reading it. So location, we do have a tendency to either sit or studying by sleeping mode means, here I mean to say that you are on the bed, on lying, your body stretched it, and then putting the book in front of you, or maybe the cell phone, or whatever the gadget in front of you is, and you started studying. So it is really, really very difficult for you to remember all this. Now, on a closing note, I would like to tell you that if you use all those techniques together, it will be very easier for you to learn and remember. And if you try this technique, then it will be very, very easy for you to complete your syllabus within 10 days. And how to complete, I have given a time slot like this. Like, if you use this in the, you can use it either in the morning session, or you can use it in the afternoon session also, like 7 to 8:30, this is subject 1, then 8:30 to 9, and 9 to 9:30, then 9:30 to 10:30, this is something, and subject 1, subject 2, do, like this is continuation of this, then subject 3, subject 4, then again do it whatever you have studied in subject 1, subject 2, likewise. And this is a quick revision for Sunday. So these are the matrix. If you look into it in a very careful manner, you'll be able to understand. And here you can take a break for yourself to see the TV news, or for gaming, etc. Reward yourself in this particular part. So with this, we come to an end to this session. If you have any query, put it down. I'll try to answer as soon as possible. So please do subscribe Shobhan Nath YouTube channel. Thank you very much.